The whales must be crazy because today is truly the day that everything will change. The 39 trillion attack has just started, and its impact is so severe that even the largest whales panicked. But what is actually happening on Earth? Let me explain. Earlier this week, the entire cryptocurrency space saw a significant price correction. This event was significant enough to end the impressive 19-day inflow streak for Bitcoin ETFs. Naturally, this left many people feeling disappointed because the sudden drop in prices made many investors wary of the market's volatility. Nevertheless, there is some good news to share. Today Bitcoin ETFs have resumed receiving inflows. Shows that investors' confidence and excitement in the cryptocurrency market, which had diminished following the price correction, are starting to return. The market is gradually stabilizing, and here's an interesting development. Whales took advantage of the panic and sold 20,600 Bitcoin, worth over $1.38 billion, in a single day. This represents their largest single-day purchase since late February and shows that they are responding strategically to the market's ups and downs. The timing is intriguing. The Shiba Inu saw a rapid increase in value in late February, tripling its price in a matter of days. Could history repeat itself this time, or are we seeing the beginnings of a similar wave now? Let's look at some recent cryptocurrency data. According to Quant, Whale's recent massive Bitcoin accumulation is the largest since the early days of Bitcoin spot ETFs. This indicates that, despite the market's current volatility and Bitcoin's declining presence on cryptocurrency exchanges, major investors have strong faith in the cryptocurrency's long-term prospects. Now at its lowest point since December 2021 usually suggests a positive attitude among investors. When Bitcoin is kept off exchanges, it frequently means that investors are holding onto their holdings rather than selling this bullish outlook in anticipation of greater values in the future. Outlook functions by reducing the amount of Bitcoins that are immediately available for purchase on exchanges. If demand stays constant or rises, this imbalance can drive prices upward as buyers compete for the limited supply. This is a straightforward example of supply and demand dynamics driving market prices, with an emphasis on Ethereum. Whales have also been very active, purchasing almost 240,000 Ether for a total of about $840 million. This shows that whales are very interested in and confident about Ethereum's potential worth in the future. Reflecting the sentiment surrounding Bitcoin, but in contrast, Ethereum's exchange reserves have somewhat increased. Regardless, Shiba Inu is making waves with a startling 170% surge in high transaction volumes, which is a clear indication of whale behavior. An analytics firm made this discovery. It's worth noting that it classifies large transactions as those involving transfers exceeding $100,000 in value only. This metric known as large transactions volume highlights the broad interest and strategic maneuvering of major players within the crypto market impacting various assets in different ways into the block. This pattern across different cryptocurrencies suggests that large investors are actively repositioning their holdings not only in the major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum but also in emerging cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Computes the total amount exchanged in these kinds of transactions inside the cryptocurrency market. According to the block's most recent data, surges in this volume usually signal increased activity among institutional investors who are either purchasing or selling cryptocurrencies. Over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu has had an astounding 170% growth in its massive transaction volume. This surge amounts to $467 million in transaction value, or over 21 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Such a notable shift in big transactions highlights the intense interaction between. This is where things start to get interesting, institutional players within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The recent 170% increase in whale transactions including Shiba Inu may indicate that significant stakeholders are actively engaged in preserving a crucial 39 trillion price range. Approximately 39 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are currently held within this price range across over 40,000 addresses, according to the block. This suggests that major holders of Shiba Inu, or the market's players, are stepping up their efforts to keep the cryptocurrency's value at this critical level. It's not just an active defense strategy, but also a hope for stability. If the 39 trillion Shiba Inu mark maintains steady, it can draw in additional purchasers who see the stability as a sign for upward price movement. This scenario is indeed favorable for a comeback in the Shiba Inu's price. Crucial because, should this defensive tactic be successful, it might indicate a very bright future for Shiba Inus. Just recently, a Bitcoin analyst boldly stated that this is your final chance to purchase Shiba Inus before a possible 51% increase. When analysts predict such large price gains, it attracts investors' attention and typically sparks a great deal of enthusiasm and discussion within the cryptocurrency community. Both traders and aficionados begin to argue about whether or not these forecasts are accurate, what variables can spur such development, and whether or not they should move quickly to take advantage of the chance. However, where did he even get the 51% figure from? First, let's examine it in more detail based on a recent analysis from analyst Mags. The current market valuation of Shiba Inu is the last chance for the cryptocurrency community to purchase at a discount to its current value before a strong upward surge could occur. The analyst's statement indicates a strong bullish sentiment indicating confidence in the future price trajectory of Shiba Inu. In the accompanying chart, Mags highlighted his successful timing of Shiba Inu's notable surge in the first quarter of this year. He claimed to have purchased Shiba Inu just before it surged, eventually reclaiming highs not seen in 3 months. Mags emphasized that those overlooking Shiba Inu at this moment might regret their decision, hinting at an imminent up-only trend on the horizon. After more than 2 months of consolidation, Mags now projects that the paused bullish trend is ready to resume. By September, he believes Shiba Inu could reach an ambitious new all-time high above 3014, but achieving this would require a significant 51% increase from its current levels. Veteran Bitcoin advocate Da Vinci recently highlighted Mag's positive outlook, which is widely mirrored by other analysts in the crypto community. Additionally, Jeremy mentioned that Shiba Inu might be ready for another. Despite the different projections, both experts believe that Shiba Inu would likely see upward movement in the near future, adding to the excitement surrounding Shiba Inu's CRYP. He made an aggressive move, albeit he provided a somewhat lower price target. When it comes to the current defense of the 39 trillion Shiba Inu level, which is important because it helps stabilize the price and prevents it from falling further, crypto educator Rafaela Rigo recently shared her perspective. She revealed that she took advantage of the price dip and bought more, positioning herself for a potential upward movement in Shiba Inu while analysts express bullish sentiments. Stopping any price increase, but what are your thoughts on that? Please leave a comment below. I'd be interested in hearing what you have to say. If you're interested in learning more, click one of the movies you see on the screen. And with that, this brings this video to a conclusion. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you like the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.